All right, what's up everybody? Welcome to this video. Today we're going to be installing this fire extinguisher and mounting it to the wall. So let's get started. So let's get the new fire extinguisher out of the box. Here it is, brand new. I ordered this online and it arrived to my doorstep a couple of days later. I was a little suspicious about a fire extinguisher in the mail, but you can see here it is primed full. It also comes with this little mounting bracket, which is a nice little feature. You don't have to go out and buy something else separately. It's like 10 to 12 bucks if you do that. So make sure you look for one with the mounting bracket included, and I'll put links down below, of course, for this one and other recommendations that I have. But you can see here, everything's looking pretty nice, I think, as far as the fire extinguisher goes. Okay, I'm also here with my little buddy. He's gonna help me figure out where to put this, and here's the mount, by the way, and then how to actually do it. So what do you think, buddy? Where should we put this thing? We're kind of off the kitchen. There's the pantry there. Or what about this little spot right here? That looks kind of good. You wanna knock right there in the middle? And what are we looking for?
A stump.
A what?
A stump.
A stump or a stud?
A stud.
Yeah, hear that? That's hollow. So maybe right there, but then it's gonna be kind of off to the side. So there's
So I have to put it here.
already a nail here, but look, it just comes in and out. So that's just drywall. So where should we put it?
Put it there.
My house. What's that say, buddy? Can you read that?
No, I can't.
My house is a mess. I am not a mess. So maybe we should take that down. And that's pretty hollow. But right there. And let's confirm. You want to take this and try to find the stud? Where's it go? Yeah, you don't need to move that. Okay, so we're gonna move this around. What a big helper you are. There it is right there. And the sound confirms. So there's a stud right here. We could put it right there. And when you close the pantry door, there should be enough space there. So let's go ahead and get that going. And let's take a quick pause. Welcome to the channel. Do lots of home projects around the house, saving you time and money. Nothing is off limits for the most part. So click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with somebody that you know. And if you're interested in turning your hobbies into real cash, just like I'm doing with this YouTube channel, I'm going to teach you how to build your own YouTube channel from start to finish. You can check the link in the description below for my free course and my master course. Now let's get back to business. Nice job. So I've got the mounting bracket and the extinguisher, and we're just gonna, with two hands, kind of hold that up just to make sure we are properly aligned. I think the light switch is fine. It's not too close, in other words, and it's adequate height where somebody, if they need it, they could just take it off the mount, I think, pretty easily. In other words, we don't want it way down here where children can mess with it. So we should be good.
Oh, I can mess with it.
So, oh, you can mess with it?
Yeah, because I'm tall enough.
So we're gonna mount it right here, I think. Screw. All right, and we've got a pretty long screw. It's gonna go right through the drywall and into the stud on the other side. And just one should do the trick, although there are 3 holes if you wanna go nuts. But I think we should be good with one strong, long screw straight down the middle. And you're gonna help me, are you ready? Oh yeah. All right, so you're up on a stool. We're just gonna get it started here. Can you hold that? Are we in the direct line of sight for the stud?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and hold that right there.
Are you gonna do it on me?
Just hold it, don't drop it, okay? You're safe. All right, here we go. All right, I just heard it start to bite into the wood, so I'm gonna take it out. Reed, will you hold that? I'm gonna take it out. You hold it. Okay, can you take it out? Okay, so we've got the mount right here, and we're gonna, oh, stay up there, stay up there. We're gonna put that right through, just like that. Okay, your job is to put that hole right there and hold it, okay? Don't let it move. You are doing, oh, there we go. All right, hold it there, don't let it move, okay? Keep it straight. There we go.
That was loud.
It was loud, wasn't it? But that
Can I get down?
was the sound of a good bite.
Can I get down?
Oh man, that is super strong.
Can I get down?
Actually, you can help me hold it if you want, or hold the fire extinguisher. You ready? Should we mount it?
No, I want to get down.
No, should we mount it first?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, you're okay. All right, here we go. And voila.
Voila.
What do you think? Does that look good? Give you a closer look at what the mount looks like. And there are two slots right there for the mounting bracket to go into. My kids can never get anything done around here, it feels like. So I'm giving them some purpose and direction and helping me out with projects around the house. We'll see how long that sticks. What do you think? I think that's pretty good. Let's move this out of the way. Oh, okay. And we'll open this to see if we have enough clearance. It does hit a little bit. If we didn't want it to bang against that, we could bring it in a little bit more, and that part should not hit. So I might relocate it to this stud right here. There's another stud right there. So.
Hey, Dad, I didn't need a window.
Good job, bud. So that's the old hole. You can just, pretty unintrusive. We can put some spackle and paint that if we need to. And that is in the stud right there. So let's try it out. And there we go. We are secure. Let's open the pantry door. Oh yeah, that's golden, because look, this will stop it first, so there's more access right there. So we're gonna call that good. I think that will be just fine. A hanging fire extinguisher. Hopefully this helps you out. Thanks so much, and good luck with your project.